Okay, gabing-gabi na po. Ito po, nandito po sila. Okay, go. Come on. Gabing-gabi na po. Katatapos lang po namin mag-prayer meeting. Kasi Erich daw po ay kailangan po niya ng cookies dahil meron daw po silang bake sale sa school nila. So we have to run to the supermarket. Yung isa po supermarket na napuntahan namin, close na po, 10 o'clock po. Maaga nilang mag-close. Ito, maghahanap po kami ng bake sale. Let's go to where? Let's go. I think the other side. Okay, come on, right here. Gabing-gabi na po dito. Yan po, nandito po kami sa shop, right? What? Si Aiden. Pagod na po si Aiden. Marami yata nakasale dito. Go, Ber. Go, Brian. Yan po. Yan. Beginning of Christmas. Bilisan mo, nak. Go. Go there. We have to find a... Nano? What's that? Oh, mahal. Where is it? Takis, which one?
Blue.
Huh? Which one? Small only, get one. Blue hit? One yung bows. Smell yucky.
Can I get these?
Alaki na nak. King malki. Let's go. Come
Oh,
on.
this.
Yeah. One yung bow. Ay, something like smells. Look. Smells something bad. Right? Nak, oh, get there. Cookie. Here.
Aren't you gonna sell this?
Yeah.
Did you sell this?
That is,
That or
which one? This one, $4. So, naantok na po kami. Bukas papasok pa. It's 11 o'clock na po dito. Yan, naghahanap po kami ng cookies na maibebenta po ni Erich. Which one, baby? What's that cookies?
sugar cookies?
Okay, how much?
4.
Okay.
One of our presents.
Okay. All in one, in one. Yeah. Get one. And let's see what they have here. Chocolate trip. Magkano kaya to? Parang mahal, ang mahal lang. Alam niyo ba? Nabibili ko lang po ito dati ng $1. Ngayon to 4.7. Mahal po siya.
Ryle! It's too late. My class has already to stop.
Really?
Yeah.
How much?
We didn't even have to buy anything.
Really? You don't have to? Okay. Tara.
How are you gonna sell that? I have to leave last period. And we You're gonna bring tissues and stuff? No, but like everybody in student council has to bring stuff. No, how are you gonna serve them? Give them a tissue and they pick them up, but they have to go. Hey, Mama. Mom.
Ah.
Tomorrow you have to go to school.
Ayan, this one sale, baby, oh. This one.
So I get it?
Who you wanna give?
I want to get stuff from my teacher.
Who's your teacher?
I have a lot of teachers.
How many?
4.
Okay, give them.
I mean 5.
Pilan lang?
5 teachers.
Okay, go. Sabihan kang Erich po tayo, Braille po ito kasi diyan naman eh. $7 each. So yun po siya. Nakasell po siya. Yes, baby.
My teacher said you have to go to school.
Where? Why?
In my school.
Why?
You have to help us do gingerbread houses.
Only the parents who's available but I cannot make it.
Mom!
When?
Tomorrow!
I have a school. I have a work.
Well, why can't you just leave early?
No. Because
You did that before and do it tomorrow.
I'll talk to your
Let's do
teacher.
it.
Yes, I'll talk to your teacher. Aiden, no, look at chocolate. Oh. Aiden, look the chocolate. It's on sale. Aiden, look. Look. Come on.
All I want is for that smell to get away.
May makanyang baho. It's yucky, ha?
I need one more.
Oh my gosh. Makanyang baho stink. Stink. Ah! Roblox on your birthday.
Wait, Ma, when are you gonna buy me the Costco?
No call me Mami Asalito.
Costco.
Okay, when I go to Costco.
When?
Next week. When I get
No,
my...
tomorrow.
Tomorrow, I don't have time tomorrow.
Or, no,
Let's see the
after
sale
s-
first.
no.
I want to see the sale.
After
Ano rin?
school.
What?
After school, because I want to get it before Christmas.
Oh, okay, I'll go. See, Erich got the Ferrero for the teachers. Okay, go in the cart.
You literally just got out.
Come on. So let's find something on sale. Come on. There you go. See. Okay.
My powers are killing us.
Which one?
Go.
Okay, bro. Go, sweetie, go. Erich, kilo. Ay, may tatlo, may tatlo.
Hey, what are you doing? The cooking.
Erich, you don't have to put this one in the bag. Just hand it to them, eh? Okay?
But I need a big box to put everything.
Oh, this one on sale. How much? $2.99.
Just walk around carrying all that. You could. It's the cooking.
Come on. So we're looking something on sale. Yan po sila. Everything's expensive. Let's go quickly. Kahanap po kami ng mga mura-mura. Ayan po. Tinitingin po kami ng mga malalagay namin sa box. $4.99. It's not on sale. I have like this. Did you see the... So we're looking. This one. Sale. Auction. $3.99. Expensive. Up $6.99. We're looking for $1. We cannot find $1. There you go. O tara, let's go. What else? No more on sale. No more. Gustong-gusto po namin yung mga sale. Nuggets? What nuggets? Where? $1.49. Naghahanap po ng mga panindang mga nakasale. Tapos Aiden. Come on, Siri. Go quickly. Okay. Bye for now. Say bye-bye muna. Say bye-bye. Erich, say bye. Oh, look at me, look at me. Say bye. Aiden, say bye. Aiden. Naantok. Ay, tulog na po pala si Aiden. Ha? Tulog na po. Oh, sleeping. Oo. Oh. Bye.